this is my channel, Naturally Lori. If you are new here, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're, not, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. No, I'm playing. I'm sorry you can hear background noise. The other videos I filmed today was before my sister was home, and now she's home. So you hear her iPad. I think you do, because I hear it loud and clear. So I'm sorry if you hear that, but that don't stop the grind. Today's video is going to be I'm really sorry if that noise is really loud, but I'm gonna try to talk up. But yeah, today's video is going to be a product review over the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate in Shea Butter shampoo and conditioner. Now it says it's for dry, damaged hair. It softens, quenches, and repairs hair. It has creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and pure macadamia oil. And the shampoo is sulfate free, and the conditioner is silicone free. So they're both really good. And something I forgot to mention on the sides of these, it tells you what all it has in it. Well, not what all it has, but the good stuff. So it's made with 100% aloe juice as the first ingredient, and it's 100%. Like I said, it doesn't have any mineral oils, silicones, parabens, gluten, LSS, sulfates, synthetic dyes, or ALES. And it is vegan. It's vegan. It's eco-friendly. It has pure coconut water, and it has pure aloe juice. And the exact same for the conditioner as well. So that's another plus, Now, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna hop right on into it. So going on to the shampoo. This shampoo definitely cleans your hair. Now, personally, I like shampoos that clean your hair really well, but it don't leave your hair dry or stripped. My hair was actually really dirty about 2 wash days ago when I used this, because I hadn't washed my hair for like 2 weeks before I used it, which is not good. But my hair was dirty and oily. It was just a mess. And I washed my hair with this, and my scalp was so clean. My hair was visibly clean. It was shiny. And I would credit that to this shampoo. My hair was not dried out, but it was not dried out, but it was super, super clean. And I really did use that. And I'm probably the only natural here on earth that uses about either the same amount of shampoo and conditioner or more shampoo than conditioner, depending on the brand. But with that being said, I used a nice little amount of this, and it works so well on my hair. Like I said, it didn't dry it out. It left it moisturized. As moisturized as a shampoo can be to your hair, it was. And my hair was just so clean, and I loved it. Definitely recommend this. It was like $4 or $5. Pretty cheap. And then on to the conditioner. Like I said, the conditioner is silicone free, and this conditioner has a lot of slip. So much slip. Like I had just told you, I hadn't washed my hair in 2 weeks, and I used it, and I got through my tangles really well. I do use a paddle brush, and I do prefer paddle brushes over other detangling utensils, because they typically get through my tangles a lot easier, but this made it so much easier. So it's actually a really moisturizing conditioner, and it has slip. Like, that's the best duo. So if you're like a natural on a budget, or a newly natural, and you don't know what to use, I definitely recommend Maui Moisture, more specifically these two. They have a lot more in their brand. They got a purple container, a blue container, green container, and a red container. I think it's an orange one, and so on and so forth. So they got a lot of different variations of this, and in each line is not just shampoo and conditioner. They got other stuff, but these are the only two that I got from this one particular line. And once I start using my products down some, I really do want to go and get more from Maui Moisture, because these two just worked really well. I do definitely recommend them. Like I just said, if you're newly natural, if you're natural on a budget, if you're transitioning, and yeah, I don't know what else to say other than the fact that I love these two. Again, I recommend it. That's all I can say. But yeah, I really do hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I do hope it introduced you to a new product line, new products if you haven't used it before. But yeah, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really truly appreciate it. Comment down below your thoughts on these products, if you tried it, you know, so on and so forth. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I know you want to, I know you do, so go do it now. Just do it. And yeah, I will have my previous videos, last couple, linked down below. All that good stuff, make it easy for you. But yeah, subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.